school. They are marching with confidence in their being. Next is Excellence House.
With a true sportsmanship and discipline.
Yes, Nishit.
इसके पीछे पीछे सीनियर बॉयज वॉलीबॉल ड्रीम नसरीन नसरीन
बैठे रहने
छूने आसमां चढ़े अपनी तो बस यही उड़ानी है बड़ी शान से चले अभिमान से चले अपनी तो बस यही पहचान है ये आसमां छूने आसमां चले अपनी तो बस यही उड़ानी है बस यही उड़ानी है ये आसमां
Today, we have gathered to celebrate this spirit with enthusiasm, unity, and sportsmanship. We are truly honored to welcome our esteemed chief guest, Srimati Radhika S. Srinivasan, GM Projects, our guest of honor, Srimati Shikha Dubey Madam, GM Education Department, and our special guest, Shri Rajendra Prasad, D. Heads of middle schools, executives of education department, teachers and PTA members, and our wonderful children. Now, we come to the main part. I request the students of Senior Secondary Sector 10 as well all the dignitaries present over here. It's a sort of thanks that we are giving to them in the form of flowers that they have spared their valuable time to spend with us today, this morning.
मेरी ज़मीं अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए सौ दर्द सहे महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा चाहे जान मेरी रहे न रहे इश्क बहे फीका न पड़े कभी रंग तेरा जिसमें से निकल के खून कहे तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरी फसलों में लहरावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू
Sportsmanship. So please welcome our torch bearers, the shining stars of our school who have shown excellence in various sports activities. I request now this flame will be handed over to Anurag Ekka, a bronze medalist in CBSE zonal tournament held at Bhubaneswar in athletics category. Next comes Urvashi Ratre, participated in CBSE national held at Maharashtra in gymnastic category. CBSE national in judo championship. Next comes Punyati Tandi, silver medalist in CBSE National in Judo Championship. खूब ताली बजाइए बेटा. Uday Raj, participant of SGFI Boxing Championship held at New Delhi. Now he is handing over it to Y. Ishwar, gold medalist in CBSE Zonal Boxing Championship. Now, Chahat Sharma, gold medalist in CBSE Zonal Boxing Championship. Now, as the torch reaches its final point, we invite our sports captain, Jatin Taram, silver medalist of SGFI Fencing Championship, held at Patna, to place the torch on the stand. With lighting of the sports torch, we officially ignite the energy and enthusiasm for today's grand event. You to get ready for that spectacular display of discipline and coordination. Presenting before you the proud March Past contingent of
Light of every sports day, the spectacular and majestic March Past. A salute to teamwork, unity and discipline. Our head boy marches forward to take the permission to carry forward the parade. He is Satyam Kumkar, the head boy of our school.
Gentlemen, आज के परेड पर 5 प्लेटून आपके समक्ष हाजिर है। अतः मार्च पास्ट कराने की अनुमति चाहता हूँ। Gentlemen,
To tell you about the March Past of our school
is our head girl, Vanshika Tiwari. And marching with confidence and perfect coordination. Here comes our school prefectural board, the head boy, Satyam Kumkar, followed by head girl, Vanshika Tiwari, then our sports captain, Jatin Taram, and sports girl captain, Arpita. We have NCC 8 wing cadet in our school. They are marching with confidence in their attire and they are representing the theme of unity and discipline. The first troop is of Innovation House, जिसका नेतृत्व कर रही हैं लव एंड उन्नति खंडेलवाल। नई योजनाएं, नई कल्पनाएं और नए प्रयोग के साथ इस हाउस की पहचान है। सेकेंड इन द रो इज ड्रीम हाउस लीडेड बाय बी शुहांशु एंड अश्मिता पांडे। ड्रीम हाउस का सपने वो बनाते हैं, वे भी हैं और बदलते भी हैं। Next is Excellence House. It is led by Vinayak and Karishma Khatri. Last house is of Attitude, which is represented by Anshika Pathak and Aruna. तो आपने देखा हमारे चारों हाउसेस और हमारे एनसीसी कैडेट्स अपने एकजुटता की संभव को संभव बनाना और हर सपने को पूरा करने का अटल जज्बा। इन विद्यार्थियों के हर कदम में एक कहानी छिपी है, कभी जीत की, कभी सीख की और कभी अटूट हिम्मत की। नेक्स्ट एक्सीलेंस हाउस है जो एक ऐसा लक्ष्य जिसका कभी अंत नहीं, क्योंकि सुधार की यात्रा सदैव जारी। हमारे विद्यालय में 4 हाउसेस हैं, इनोवेशन, ग्रीन, एक्सेलेंस एंड एटीट्यूड, जो मिलकर हमारा मूल्य सिद्धांत बनाते हैं आइडिया। रहती है। यह हाउस उन विद्यार्थियों का प्रतीक है जो रुकना नहीं जानते, हर दिन कुछ नया सीखना चाहते हैं। एटीट्यूड हाउस सकारात्मक सोच और अगेय भाव और कभी हार ना मानने वाला जोश, यही उस हाउस की पहचान है।
We solemnly pledge that we will take part in the annual sports day with true sportsmanship and discipline. We promise to participate with honesty, fairness, and respect for all rules and officials. With the dedication in our hearts and integrity in our actions, we pledge to bring glory to our school through our conduct and performance. Jai Hind!
जय श्रीमान, परेड को विसर्जन कराने की अनुमति चाहता हूँ। जय श्रीमान।
department, respected PTA executive body members, dear teachers, and my beloved students. Good morning to one and all present here. Today we have gathered here to celebrate the much awaited sports day of BSP Senior Secondary School, Sector 10. It gives me immense pleasure to present the annual sports report and to highlight the achievements of our talented students. Sports are an integral part of education. They teach us discipline, team spirit, confidence, leadership, resilience, and the ability to accept both victory and defeat with grace. So the word defeat is also there, and it should be accepted with grace. In today's fast-moving world, physical fitness is as important as academic excellence. Through participation in various sports, our students learn to medal. Chahat Sharma, the event was boxing, participated in CBSE zonal at West Bengal, achieved gold medal. Vai Ishwar in boxing participated in CBSE zonal West Bengal. Uday Raj in boxing participated in SDFI Delhi. Punyati Tande event was judo, participated in CBSE Nationals at Rajasthan. Achievement was silver medal. Monesh Verma, it was judo, participated in CBSE Nationals at Rajasthan. Achievement is silver medal. Urvashi Ratre in gymnastics in CBSE Nationals Maharashtra. Anurag Ikka, athletes 1500 meter and 3000 meter participated.
Karate. Karate is a Japanese martial art that uses precise techniques like Kihon, Kata and Kumite. It includes Zuki punches, Geri kicks and Uki blocks. Karate builds discipline, balance and mental focus. Through regular dojo practice, students develop confidence, agility and self-control. As a system of self-defense and personal growth, karate continues to inspire learners worldwide with its blend of tradition, technique, and strong moral values. Judo. Judo is a martial art that based on techniques such as Naga Waza, Newaza, Ozokon to use leverage, timing and balance. Judo promotes discipline, respect and body control while improving flexibility, strength and tactical thinking. Gymnastics develops strength and precision through skills like handstands, cartwheels, aerials, and walls. Athletes train on apparatus such as the balance beam, uneven bars, swivel horse, and springboard. The sport has body awareness. Boxing. Boxing is a dynamic combat with quick reflexes. It challenges athletes to think strategically, stay focused, and control their movements with precision. Beyond physical power, boxing builds confidence, resilience, and strong mental endurance.
Yeah.
परिंदा है तू।
Thank you.